Hi everyone! In this video, I will show you how to add standard deviation bars to a chart in Google Sheets. For this example, we will use sample scores of students. First, create a chart by clicking and dragging to select the range of data, then clicking Insert in the top menu. Then, from the menu that appears, click Chart. A chart will appear in the middle of your sheet, and the chart editor will open on the right. From here, we can select any type of chart by clicking the Chart Type drop-down. Let us click the Column Graph type. Then, go to the Customize tab and click on Series. Scroll down until you see the Error Bars section. Click the checkbox to enable error bars. Now, under the Type drop-down, select Standard Deviation. Adjust the value using the input box and your error bars will appear on the chart. So, that is how you add standard deviation bars in Google Sheets. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching.